Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is June the 2nd, 2018, and today I'm going to be feeding my watermelon and melon seeds with a product called Sea Magic. I already have it all mixed up here, and I'm just going to be feeding them here. You can put this on the leaves too. And you can put this on the leaves too. It is gently raining. Well, now if you have a day where the sun is out and blazing, you don't want to be dumping the plant food on your plant leaves because the sun will burn them. And if it's close to like nightfall, you also don't want to be feeding your plants this way. Just feed the soil, because that can lead to various diseases and powdery mildew and all that stuff, and we don't want that. So I'm going to finish feeding these. It's starting to rain a little bit more. I will top dress them with another plant food. I'll come back with a video when I do that. I'm not going to do that yet. They seem to be growing very well. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a nice day. Bye.